I said in my last stream that just a few minutes ago, I went to go make myself a cup of coffee, came back, and then the streamer just disconnected for some reason. It didn't or something like that. Um, I don't need to be on the toilet now, so I think I'm gonna go quickly. It's every morning thing. I don't know what problem is the coffee. No sugar. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the toilet quick and then do my training when I come back. Because my stomach is short and something locked. If you leave here, must to school go. Okay. You. I see it. Oh my god, but what the heck? Ma. Ma. Mm, 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 mm. I see it, but I'm talking to Siri. Hey Siri, put on a 1 minute timer. Bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Siri. Hey Google, sing Siri. Buta,
Hello. Got Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. Mm, 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 mm. So loud. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. Video starting. Okay. I'm just doing like a school trip right now, so it's the Tyler Wayne. So I'm wearing like my school clothes. It's the white band with this candy style jacket. I like it. Yeah. Mm, do show but I finish I have if you guys don't see him very or working. I'm just wearing like a school trip coat now, so it's the Tyler Wayne. So I'm wearing like my school clothes. So what band was this kind of style. So what else? The audience. I can see him. Okay. School trip. So it's the Tyler Wayne. It's fine. If it's doing it. Hmm? Coming pa, puta!
Oof. Honestly, all I want to do is continue reading, but I have to down getting to the most interesting part now, which is investment. Start investing and having a nice portfolio and so on and so on. But yeah, now get on joints. Okay, come let's see first of all. Share my screen. Share screen. Window. Time for my face to lag again. Yeah. Okay. Gold looking. We're gonna go up. So for me personally, I think this opportunity would be to buy above these ranges. You can see price game fell. Price game consolidating. Can come here, we can fall. My bias is that we're going to break above. But yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's not rush into it. Just waiting for this to load, chat.
Okay, was the lesson? Yeah, thank you. I need for you to sister Nikki and then Robin with songs for Sunday morning, please. So I'll do that in a very early phase of this week, so that you might just help her in how to go about and relate to her, talk to her, and then work as a team to work on Sunday morning. And she's got the program sorted. So yeah, now I trust that everything will go well. And I spoke to Robin as well, so please work together as a team. And yes, hope to enjoy the worship and praise on Sunday. Amen.
No problem, no problem. No problem. Focus. Focus.
What is meta learning and how do I learn how to learn better? DS, structure, selection, sequence, and mistakes. Deconstruction, which is taking a
Go to it. Eat. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to find out what works for me. This is a prop from simulation account. So my max drawdown is 5% per day. And then my max overall drawdown, yeah, max overall loss is 10%. So it's gonna help me. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be serious about the stuff. I'm gonna lock in, pause the stuff, and be confident in my trades. See what works for me, see what doesn't. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, what do we see first of all, Mikey? What do we see? Shoots on your profit. I mean, we're unprofitable 3+ years. Like, hello, hello. Okay, start. Okay. 3,500. Okay, that's a strong message the big boys is sending there. From 3,500, we had a drop of 277 pops. What is the big boys looking for? Are they looking to retrace his whole move? It started in April. And now in May? Probably not, because I mean, it's a lot. And if they break here, where are they going? Yeah, to the lows of March or February. Don't think so. Personally, at the moment, this is my main area. We'll be looking in this somewhere in this area to be buying for the upside. So first thing at the fibs. I don't think the big boys just want to take away all the buying for the year. Okay. We do see what area do we possibly see. It's a bit easy. Look at this big movements that's in March 2025 or May 2025. And this is only 200 and something books. If you look at this movement looks so small, incy. What's around? It's a year. The year is 200 books. It's crazy. It's 500 books. Nee. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's well. I don't even want to count how much gain else, but you guys get the picture. Okay. This can also be a potential stock. So don't really use that. Let's see something. Okay, let's see our price plays out. I still see it going down. I don't see it buying from here really. Otherwise we'd have had a reaction of the let's see how this show. CPI today or what? What CPI NFP today? I mean, okay, so we got to keep that in mind. NFP today. So probably I won't probably be trading before NFP, but let's see how transaction plays out. In the next 15-minute candle. Very soft NFP. Very serious for TBH. Maybe from date or the lows. Some take that for. Is already finished. The really had NFP. It was very soft price action. We are currently at 4:45. We have plans of going long. I don't want to see this rejecting. If we break it, then I'll probably look for buy. I mean sells. So that's my current thesis. Okay, we are shifting. It's interesting. Okay, we're not rejecting. What did I want to see to be able to go long from a rejection? That's what I also need to figure out. think don't think this is valid even though we're having a reaction because it's like we're still making lower lows, lower highs, so we should see this continue to the downside. So in order for the trade to be valid, I'd say we need to break a serious structure point. So either this, not either, that basically needs to break. Oh yeah, you can actually see the profit roll, which is nice. Max loss 10,000. Damn, if it's replay. Damn. Screenshot this. I like this. I like it a lot. Anyways, we're going short. We're going short. We are going short. Fixed lot size. We're not lot. We're gonna have a fixed lot size of 0.15. We don't risk by percentage. We risk by lot size. And why? You might ask. It's because, as you guys can see, hmm, let's go here. Making lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Lower high, we must assume we're gonna make a lower low. And we are at the 61.8% FOB for if we were looking for long. And price action is soft. There's no aggression. If we were interested, we would have had something like this. Price come, gone. Maybe price come, gone. Price come, gone. But we are a bit iffy, and that shows that there's no interest from the big boys. As if they were in the trade, and if they entered, we would have see a aggressive price action. So that's the reason I think we're going down. And I'm gonna see how this plays out. If it doesn't, I'll make a note of it and learn from this. Add to my add it to my list of ideas and why add it to my list of ideas so that I know next time I should not take trades like this. And because this is like against the main trend, so we look on long term, it's obviously trading against the bullish trend. So yeah, because of that, I'll move stop loss to break even much earlier if we do end up in a bit of profit. Okay, if we maybe end up here, well, 78.6% or something like that. Feel me? Ha! You feel me, chat? Ha! Ha 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 ha! Feel me? Well, I wish I could just sit and do this all day and read all day and get piano training all day and all day. Oh, to be so nice. Why do we have to work to get money? Oh, what? I love the fact that I'm live streaming this so that I can just one day look back at it and be like, it paid off. And so that I can just do this whole day. And love my life. Go out for breakfast, go out to do cool things, go out with the fam, go on vacation, on holiday, go play soccer, play basketball, gym, swim, play golf, play tennis, hikes. I enjoy life at the moment, genuinely, but I know I'll enjoy it so much more if I get to actually do the things that I want to do instead of, like, having to go work still and putting things that I enjoy doing aside. I have to do things that we have to do. And so instead of no. Wow, am I down 3+ years and still unprofitable? I have this fire inside of me that just makes me want to work because I'm going to figure this out. I promise I'm going to figure this out. I'm gonna grind like never before because it's 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 silly that I'm trading for more than 3 years and still not profitable. Even though like around 3 years is when I'd say most traders that like I've heard of get profitable around 3 plus years. But for me, it's like, why can't I figure this out? These people that figures it out. Why am I stuck here? And because I'm not putting in enough, my understanding is not there. I need to get my ideas, put it on journal, and figure things out, work things out, and that's what I'm doing now. Because I've never done it like this before. And yeah, if the big boys were in the trade, we would agree. Let's see how it goes, chat. Okay. So this did not work out. Ended up rejecting the level. Maybe I should have waited until we break actually, and then I'll just note that. Stop loss. Hit. 3. Okay, so we took a loss there. That's interesting. Now we need to see, do they plan on going higher? They had a nice rejection. And if we do plan on going higher, my first instinct, what I'm seeing is the 61% as it's aligning with the size. I know we're gonna break it though. Let's see, maybe we break low, I'm not sure. If we come here again, then I know we're gonna fall. So maybe that's also a what do you call it? Like a thesis. Do not buy off the first time we can't level, but if we maybe have a reaction and come to the kind of know possibly that level's not gonna hold. So instead of buying your first time, maybe wait and if it come back and then do this, then we're going down, I think. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I can already see the sort of a nice area to buy at. Perfectly the 8%. Okay, we're at the highest bid for it. Let's see. Are we gonna break? Okay, we're retreating. So now I also need to ask myself, because this is kind of what you call it, for me and to help me as well. Come up with like ideas and so on. We rejected the highs. Can we possibly sell at this point? And if we sell, where do we sell to? Maybe the 78.6%. If I were to sell, where would I sell? Say I sold, yeah. Which I wouldn't actually, but stop loss would have to be above there. Then 78.6. Ultimately, it would never be worth it, props wise. So yeah, it's just cancel this idea. Take this off so long. Just making this wrap very slowly. Also, what is the time to get started after 8? It's going very slowly. So we're breaking above. Okay, now we've broken above. So now we look for what's the best price to get in this trade. Yeah, it just gives us no option. But now we know that price is going higher. So if you look at it like this, so no way. And we came back perfectly to the city two. The action of B. What do we see? This looks very choppy. She's 100% is still open. Maybe we will react by 100%. Yeah, my main thing is how do I join this move? How do I join the big boys? This is the price action that we want to see. This is when we want to make trades. So just want to wait for pullback. I'm not sure if we're gonna get. They were acting with the 100% fob. The negative 100. So then if I see us buying above this, and then I'm going to look for more buys, but I know price is still going to go long, so I'm going to look for buys in the interim. See the 100%, the lines with these rejections here. Okay, so this makes me think if they wanted price to sell, okay, they actually wanted to go lower. They had more than enough time to put the positions in here on top. The positions in here. So if they were lower, they had more than enough time to position themselves lower. I'm talking about the big boys, the institutions, the banks, the hedge funds, etc. So if they wanted to go lower after the first pullback, would have gone lower from here. They have pushed, but there's no reason for price to break these lower highs. All orders that was in at this point to break it, go above, come test here on top, just to then go lower. So, in my understanding, we didn't bring price to all this buying, all these positions we're putting in the markets just to liquidate it. Yeah, current thesis is still to go long. Rejecting 100%, we know that. I'm gonna take this flop off so long. And now the next 78.6 would be treat, but yeah, it's quite far down. And when gold is trending, we don't look for these movements. So maybe 38.2%. Erase this. It's psychological round level as well. So I'll be looking for 38.2%. Okay, so we don't get 38.2%. It's unfortunate, but nothing to be made about. We waited for our best price. Just need to find a way to get in the smooth. So all the buying we couldn't get in basically. See, and again after six, this move happened. This also happened like sometime. Okay, it's after 8. I find most of my my profitable trades comes from when I'm trading after 6. Something to take note of. I think this year is still possible. Damn. Damn. Oh, all this. Sword to miss out on all of this. 1,300 pips. Could I potentially have gotten into this? For my interest, what I want to see is a strong push to the level and then a strong rejection. If I don't see a strong push to the level, I'm not going to be interested in the move. So I have another pull button now to find the next best price to hopefully join the movement and make a few. What I see is that we are ready to be pushing up again. So yeah, 3,500 is back in the picture for me. At 38.2%. Five AM. It's 78.6% looks like a nice level to enter at. But for price to come down where I thought erase all the buying here from Tuesday. Okay, it is Tuesday. Maybe the big boys will aggressive. Market open, not everyone is in, so they want to bring price back to this level to then continue. It should be still instead of 200 pops. I don't know if I would want to do that. Let's see. Yeah, price action goes. Okay, so we're still rejecting this level. Me personally, we're still rejecting, yeah. The 8.2%. I'm gonna go for a buy. And then I can buy it. Aggressive. I remember telling myself that I'll use my phone. Finding the best price. If we ought to buy, if we were to buy, what would be the best price? Yeah. Mm, something like this. So I'm gonna have to wait and then get the reaction of that level. Then I'll look for buys. So 38.2. Buy now. Stop loss under this level. Yeah. Price action is looking good to go up and make highs and highs. I'm just scared that I enter and then straight to stop loss because then when I take positions like this, it happens quite a lot. So anyway, 0.15, risking 1.5%. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. I'm gonna move stop loss to break even because it's like if we come below here, then we are coming down. Because there's no way to come just here and then that wouldn't even make sense to me. So I wouldn't honestly aspirate this low if I'm with stop loss to break even. That's 30%. Five. Sing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, holy! Look what happens at our take profit level. Damn. She shows at our level she's works. So on shift time. Okay, so this was London stationary interest, right? I just like to see what happens further on. But anyways, guys, I need to shower. I need to ready for work. I have work in 20 minutes. Work in 20 minutes. So, oof. Let's be glad. Let's be glad we banged that amazing trade. We had 540 out of about 670 pips. So we just missed out on 130 pips. But you know, it's great. And okay, guys, that's all for today. I need to get done. I need to get buzzing. It's an amazing session. We profited $800 at one trade on 800 plus. And yeah, we are currently up 7%. Profit rules. Yeah, I have 286 left to get to the profit target. So let's see how that goes from one amazing trade. That is good. That's great. Yeah, thank you guys. Also, like I woke up on time this morning because I slept early last night. So yeah, I should definitely try and constantly sleep early where I can so that I can wake up on time and get all the work done that I got this morning. Made a lot of improvement. So yeah, we'll see you again tomorrow. I'll do some work later on, but I won't be streaming there. Yeah, anyways, goodbye guys.